And we're coming here in the greenhouse to do one of my favorite things, and that's seed starting. So let's put our jacket down and get to work. And now the seeds that we're gonna get started today are some seeds that I'm actually really excited to be growing this season. And that's going to be, and I apologize if I mess up the name of this one, but Gaillardia Goblin. I'm actually really excited to be growing these this season because, I mean, first, let's look at this packet. This is a beautiful, beautiful flower right here. And not only is it beautiful, but this is a first year bloom too. It's a perennial. So it'll come back every single season. And then we're going to get these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful um, fiery color blossoms that I just can't wait to see in the garden. Seed starting truly has to be one of my favorite joys when it comes to gardening. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love harvesting. I love transplanting as well. But I don't know. It's just something about seed starting that just gets me all geeked up for the new year. I mean, granted, on the date of filming this, it is December 29th. Um, we are quite some whiles away. I mean, we're about, what, 3 months away from spring, but this is what gets me going. And now the beautiful thing, the reason why I want to go ahead and start these is because the goblin, the Gaillardia, if I'm saying that correctly, if I'm wrong, just let me know in the comments, right? But the Gaillardia, it's a perennial that if we direct sow this, of course, we can start it about, after our projected frost date. But with this one, if we're starting indoors, I did my research. We can start at about 8 to 10 weeks before our anticipated frost date, the end of our anticipated frost date. And now, if you're new here, I'm in Zone 8B, North Texas, just south of Dallas area. But I want to go ahead and start these early because I want these blooms, these blossoms, as soon as our spring season starts. I want to really get that rebirth of life. Winter can really be a drag. Uh, you have all of the plants that are going dormant and end of life cycle. Of course, we do have our perennials and such that come back, and then we have our long day plants like our cilantro and broccoli and brassicas that do perfectly fine. But it's just something about that pop of color that comes with the spring and that regeneration of life to let. I know people have talked about it before, that seasonal depression, but for me, that that reward, that goal of knowing that those new blossoms are coming, those new plants are coming for the spring, it to use the cliche, chicken soup for the soul. But I digress, as you know I do.